starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you.
Hello, welcome to the video. Now today we're another woodland area what I found, which is called North Cliffe Woods Nature Reserve. Now I've never been here before, so we'll have to see how we go as we go along. There's various trails running off to the side, and I'm just heading down the path down the edge of it at the moment. So we'll carry on going the way we are doing, down the edge, see where it takes us and see what we can come up with. But it don't look a bad place. Lots of bluebells about. But there again, that's time of year for them, isn't it? So, we'll on down here. Let's see what we can find. A muddy hard puddle there.
And I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close, and I still have hope.
Well, it looks like I finally found the place that I've been wondering where it is for a long time. All beech trees, not over that way. I remember seeing these two logs here in a couple of videos what I've seen. That gateway. Yeah. Glad I come this way now. So, do I go that way? Or do I go that way? Let's go and have a look this way.
Every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low, no, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops.
Here we are, we come to yet again another wood, and here's a load of, well, another one of them wooden tent things. I can see some animals moving over there. I don't know if they're cows or deers.
But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out, forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high or low. No, I'm somewhere in the middle and a little bit messed up. 'Cause without you, everything stops. Without you, everything stops.
Set off my neck for a minute. Oh, this wood, it's a fairly big place. All I've done is just come down one side. I've gone into the piece over there where that old silver birch and that are. Then I had to go back because I'd dropped my phone, so I had to go find that. And then I've just walked around the edge of it here. And then thought, right, I'll have 5 minutes on this bench, because just over there there's a load of, I'm assuming that they're black sheep. So I don't want to disturb them. So with a bit of luck, they might come this way a bit. But it looks like you're trying to pull leaves off trees and that at the moment. But there's a lot of bloody flies or whatever go away, buzzy bee. And I think it'd be a good place to come for mackerel. You know, once you get into the bushes and that in the back of here. But I have my mackerel lens with me, but I haven't got my diffuser and that what I need. Plus, I've forgotten the batteries for my flash. I always forget something. So anyway, I don't think them sheep are aware that I'm here. I've only seen 2 people while I've been here as well. I hope something spooked them. They're off. Yeah, they stopped over there now. So, well, up to now, I think I've got a fair few images and what have you. And, oh, bluebells, these hundreds of them, you know. I like to say everything's just sort of like coming into colour now. But we'll go on to the end there, because I think that's the edge of the woodland over there. And then we'll have a wander back through and see what's in there. Quite looking forward to it, actually. So, let's go. While we're having a walk along, on my right hand side, this is the field that I'm in. I know it's looking a bit dark, but this is where all the sheep and that are. And then to my left hand side, you've got all this. Well, we've got this in front, and this is the way we're going. I don't know how far we can get. Let's keep going till we find out.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stone.
Well, it looks like I'm about halfway around. I'm just gonna check on Google Maps, and yeah, my car's parked there. Just a little over halfway around, and I must have been here, what, hour and a half. But I've come to another junction. Do I go that way, or do I go that way? If I go that way, I think it's going to take me around the outside. Let me just check the app again. Yeah, that takes us a bit further round. So I think we're going to go that way. Head back towards the car. And I've got umpteen images. I've just seen a deer, but I couldn't quite get there quick enough before it hopped across the field. Tried to photograph a butterfly, no deal. Tried to get a close-up of a bee, no deal. But I did get a couple of shots of that bee. So, let's carry on with the walk.
Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting down the line. Pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun.
Well, like an idiot, as I always am, I come to that junction, whereas I'm back there now. I said I was going to go that way, but instead I went that way. But like an idiot, as usual, I went against everything I did, and I went that way, and then down past that bench that's there, down the track, and it led me to a dead end. So, now I've had to walk all the way back, and I'm at that junction again. Now, do I go that way like I said, or do I go that way and go around the edge? I think that takes us through the woodland. That takes us around the edge. So, my original idea was go that way. So that's what I'm going to do. One never knows. We might be back here again. So let's go and have a look down there. Well, looking at that, I should have come down here before, because this track looks a lot better, wider. I can see a fair way down it as well. Yeah, Let's see what's at the end.
And how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of some.
Well, I just don't believe it. I've just gone round in a circle and I'm now back at the gate to that field where them sheep are. So might be a case of walk back down there and come in and go out where I come in. At least that's where the car is anyway. But I've just noticed up in there, I'm going to switch my lenses over and there's a buzzard circling about. So let's see if I can get that. And then let's see where we end up. Well, that's the end of our walk. I'm back at the car now. Full sweat on. I'm glad to get my bag and that off my back. It's not bad a walk. Quite easy underfoot. I think I've only covered half of it. We're going round in a circle. But no, I think it's a place that I will frequently come back to. You know, different times of the year. And it took me a bit to find it because the sat-nav wasn't really bringing it up, but now I know where it is now. I've been looking for this place for a while. So, I'm going to get a drink now, change my boots and then go home. So, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, comments below, and please hit the subscribe button. So, till the next one, excuse me, till the next one, take care, bye for now.
Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes we could all use a friend.